Hello everyone, just a second. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the learning field. This is Chandan and you are watching the learning field. So in this session we are going to discuss the general aptitude of GATE 2018 mathematical science paper or mathematics paper. Okay, so I think the general aptitude section is helpful for all the science student of GATE aspirant or of the GATE aspirant. Okay, so we are already discussed the solutions or discussed the general aptitude of mathematical science paper of what 2022, 2021, 2020 and 2019. Okay, this 4 year, and we are now in this session we are going to discuss the mathematical science paper of general aptitude sections of GATE 2018. Okay. And after that we are so we will solve the others science paper also, the general aptitude section. Okay, since the general aptitude is common for all the subject, then I think all the science student this is very helpful content for all the science student and also for the engineering student also. Okay, so let's start, and before starting I am requesting you to all those who are new in my channel, please like the video, comment if you have any doubt in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so the first question says that this is a question from English section. Okay, the dress fill in the blanks questions dash her so well that they all immediately dash her on her appearance. Okay, so this is a questions, and the questions, the two words given here, two different words. One is complemented and second one is also complemented, but the two spelling of the complemented are different. Okay, so first one, this complement, suppose if we go to the this complement word, that is PLE and PLI, two complement word. Okay, so the first complement word, meaning of this word, this is equal to what? This complement means add to something, add to something. Okay, add to something in a way that enhance or improve it. Okay, or make perfect, that means is what? Makes perfect. Okay, makes perfect. Okay, so this is the meaning of first word, which is complemented, e based. Okay, and now this I based word, which is I based, this word means politely congratulate, to politely congratulate, politely congratulate. This is means what? Or praise for something. This is means what? Politely congratulate means we use this word in the way, in a way that suppose anyone who is give a performance or give a dance, a very good performance in dance or a song. Okay, very good performance in dance or song, then we congratulate him such a way that the very good, you are a very good dancer, or this program or this song is very good, you sing this song is very good. So this is the compliment, this is such type of compliment. Okay, that means if someone or someone gives a very nice performance of some suppose song or dance or anything, then we give the compliment on his or her, or him or her. Okay, so this is that type of compliment, that is we congratulate such way this these types of jo things hai, this is called the complement, COMPLI, complement, and this is means add something or make make perfect. Okay, so the dress makes her perfect, that means the dress on her so well, that means the dress is very good. Okay, for her, for these kinds of words we say generally. So this means what? Here the word is complement, this is complement, COMPLE. Okay, complemented here E. Okay, and this complement means makes perfect. Okay, the dress makes perfect to her, or makes for her, we say like that. Okay, so well that they all immediately this congratulate, sorry, complimented, this compliment gives means to give to congratulate him. Okay, so this means what? This means compliment, COMPLI, complimented. Okay, so these types of questions, this is, so answer is, correct answer is what? Here complemented E and I, so here D is the correct answer. Okay, now we going to the next question. The next question, question number 2, says that the judge standing in the legal community through second by the false allegation of wrongdoing remained dash. This is also a fill in the blanks questions. The word that best fill in the blanks in the above sentence are. Okay, so here given 4 options. One is undiminished, second one is damage, third one is illegal, and fourth one is uncertain. Okay, so we have to know the meaning of the 4 words first. So uncertain means what? Uncertain means not known. Okay, or unknown, you can say not known. Okay, undiminished means not diminished or not concluded, this type of meaning. Okay, not concluded. And you all know that the meaning of damage and what? Damage and illegal. Okay, so these 2 words. And now the question says that the judge standing on the legal community through second, the judge standing on the legal community, okay, through second by false allegation of wrongdoing, okay, that remained dash. That means what? Suppose someone we gave blame, or we give blame someone for his wrongdoing, but we don't know that he or she do that illegal work or not. Okay, that type of question. Okay, that type of sentence, this one. Okay, so that means what? The judge standing in the legal community through second by the false allegation. That means we give someone the false allegation, suppose, or someone gives someone the false allegation for a wrongdoing. The जो work है वो क्या है, वो किया है कि नहीं ये पता नहीं है, ठीक है, this type of words. Okay, so this means undiminished. Okay, not concluded, remained, the judgment was not concluded, that means undiminished. Okay, so this word is correct answer here, undiminished. Okay, option A is the correct answer for this question. Okay, now we're going to the next question. The next question is find the missing group of letters in the following series. Okay, so here this is given B, C, then F, G, H, then L, M, N, O. Okay, so from B to F, the difference is how many number? Okay, so C, D, E, F. Okay, so plus 3 here. Now F, G, H, then from H to L here, what? H, I, J, K, L. So here is plus 4, and then obviously since this is plus 3, this is plus 4, and then therefore the remaining letter starts with here plus 5. Okay, so that is what? O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, suppose that means this is start with T. Okay, so T, then U, V, W, and X. Okay, so what is the correct answer? This is very simple question. Option B is the correct answer here. Okay, now go to the next question, question number 4. The perimeters of a circle, a square, and an equilateral triangle are equal. Okay, perimeter of these three are equal. Which of the following statements is true? Okay, they are area based questions. Suppose first we take the perimeter of circle. First we take circle. This is equal to suppose 2 pi r if the radius is r. Okay, radius of the circle, this is equal to r. Then perimeter of and square. Okay, square, this is equal to suppose a square if the side of the square is equal to a. Okay, and the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, this is equal to suppose we take s, this is 3s suppose. Okay, since side equal to s here. Okay, side equal to s. Now if these three are equal, okay, since it is given that the perimeter of these three are equal, that means what? 2 pi r, this is equal to a square. Sorry, this is 4a. Okay, this is 4a. Sorry, this is 4a since this is perimeter. Okay, this is 4a and this is equal to 3s. Okay, so now we write here what? Suppose we equal these two. Okay, so 4a equal to 3s here. This implies what? A equal to 3 by 4 s. This is equal to 0.75 s. Okay, now we equate these two, first and third. So 2 pi r, this is equal to what? 3s. This implies r equal to what? We convert the remaining two parameter to just a single parameter. Okay, that's why we do this. Okay, so this is equal to what? R equal to 3s by 2 pi. Okay, so 3s by 2 pi means what? this is equal to 0.477 into s. Okay, therefore we convert these three parameter in a single parameter. Okay, now we calculate the area of the circle, equilateral triangle and the square. Okay, so the area of the equilateral triangle, suppose A is the area of the first we write the equilateral triangle. Okay, so equilateral triangle equal to what? A triangle, this is equal to what? Root 3 by 4 into what? Root 3 by 4 into side square, that means s square, I think, yes, s square. 3 by 4 into this s square. Okay, so this is equal to 0. What? Just a second. 433. Okay, 433 s square. Now area of the what? Area of the this square. This is equal to area of the square. This is equal to what? This is equal to a square 4 into a square. Okay, that means what? 4a means a means here 0.75 s. Okay, that means a square, that means equal to 0.75 s whole square. Okay, this is equal to what? This is equal to 0.5625 s square, and a of the triangle, circle. Here circle, a circle, this is equal to what? Area of the circle equal to pi r square. Okay, pi r square, which is equal to what? Pi into this 0.7477 is 0.477 s whole square. Okay, so this is equal to what? The value is equal to, if you calculate simply, this is equal to 0.714 into s square. Therefore the area at these three are the areas, okay, with a single variable. Okay, therefore which is the largest one? So this 0.714 is the largest one, largest area. Okay, so that means we can write here what? Area of the circle, which is greater than area of the square, which is greater than area of the triangle. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Therefore option A says that the circle has the largest area. Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Okay, now we go to the next question. Question number 5. It says that the value of the expression 1 by 1 plus log u base vw 1 plus this and 1 plus this. Okay, we can write here, if we convert this logarithm, so that is first one, log of u base vw. If we convert this, we can write log of vw by log of u here, and these logs are base e. Okay, if we convert the base, and we can't write, generally we are not writing the base. Okay, simple log means we know that this is base e. Okay, that means here we can write log of v plus log of w by log of u. Okay, so first term is, this is equal to 1 plus log of v plus log of w by log of u. Okay, so this is equal to, simply write log u by log u plus log v plus log of w. Okay, this is the simple we get simplification of the first term. Okay, similarly we get from the second term equal to, this is the first term. Okay, first term, second term equal to, we write log of, you can calculate simply log of v by these three sum, same sum, log u plus log v plus log of w, and from the third term we can easily write this is equal to log of w by log u plus log v plus log of w. Okay, therefore if we add these three terms, then we get the numerator log u plus log v plus log w, since the denominator for the three terms are equal. Okay, therefore we can simply write the sum is equal to, their sum equal to log u plus log v plus log of w by the denominator is log u plus log v plus log of w. Okay, and this gives simply 1. Okay, therefore the correct answer is option C here, 1. Okay, now we go to the next question. The next question number 6. Okay, and the 1 to 5 questions are of 1 mark question. These 5 questions are 1 mark question, And we now go to the next question, question number 6, which is from 6 to 10. The questions are of 2 marks each. Okay, now it says that 40 students watched film A, B and C over a week. Okay, each student watched either only one film of or all three. That means what? That means intersection of two films. That means one student cannot see or can never see the films or watch the films, two films once. Okay, two films each one. Either they watch the one film or they watch the three films. That means what? This intersection A intersection B equal to B intersection C equal to C intersection A. This intersection is equal to 0 here. Okay, now 13 student watch film A, 16 student watch film B and 19 student watch film C. How many students watch all the three films? So this is a very easy question if you draw the Venn diagram. Okay, or if you solve this question by using the Venn diagram. Okay, we draw the Venn diagram of these three. So suppose this is the Venn diagram. Okay, suppose this is film A, this is film B and this is film C. Okay, suppose we assume that how many students watch all three films. Suppose all three films, film FILM, this is equal to x. Suppose the number of students is x, therefore the three intersection is equal to x. And since they are not seeing any either they watch only one film or all three film, therefore there are the intersections of two film are 0. Therefore this is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. Okay, now it says that 13 student film total A. Okay, that means this, if this is x, then this is equal to 13 minus x, this remaining. Okay, this remaining area is 13 minus x. Similarly 16 student watch film B, that is this is 16 minus x. Okay, and this is 19 minus x. Okay, this is the Venn diagram, and the total number of students equal to 40 here. Okay, therefore 13 minus x, these three all sums are equal to 40, plus 16 minus x plus 19 minus x plus x is equal to 40 here. Okay, so x cancel, and this is equal to I think 16 plus 13 plus 19 plus 13 32 and 48. Okay, so 48 minus 2x, this is equal to 40. So this implies 2x equal to 8 and this gives simply x equal to 4. Okay, therefore the correct answer is option C here, option C, 4. Okay, now go to the next question. The next question says that a wire would enclose an area of 1936 meter square. Okay, area of the square, wire enclosed 1936 meter square. If it bent into a square, okay, that means square area. Suppose if the side of the wire or the square is A, then we have A square equal to 1936. Okay, that means side of the square A equal to here 44 simply. Okay, now the wire is cut into two pieces. Now we find the length of the square. Since this is a square, therefore length of the wire is equal to what? 4 into side, 4 into 44. This is equal to what? 4 into 44 means the value of 4 4 is 6 and 4 4 is 6, 176. Okay, so the longer piece is thrice as the shorter piece. That means this 176 meter is cut into two pieces such that one is thrice of other. Therefore if we take simply x and 3x, therefore 4x equal to 176, x equal to 44, and thrice means this thrice, and suppose this is 1 and total is 174. Therefore this position is what? 3 into 144, since 444. So this is 130 I think 132 and 76 I think 44. Okay, this is the 3:1 ratio. Okay, the length is 3:1 ratio of the longer piece is to shorter piece. Okay, or you can simply calculate this. The long and the short pieces are bent into square and circle. Okay, so this is form a square and this is form a circle. Okay, that means if this is the perimeter of a square, that means what? The side of the perimeter is 4. Suppose A, this is equal to 132. This means A equal to what? A is equal to 33. Therefore the side of the square with perimeter 132 is 33 unit or 33 meter. And if this is the area of the perimeter of a circle, okay, so this implies 2 pi r equal to 44 here. This implies the radius equal to 44 by what? 44 by 2 pi. 2 pi means 22 into 7 here. Okay, so 20 cancel, this is equal to 7 simply. Okay, therefore the radius of the circle is 7. Now we have to find what the best sum of the areas of the areas enclosed by the two pieces of the square in the square meter, that is square of this and square of this, area of this. Okay, this is, since this is square, therefore the required area equal to what? Since this is square, therefore 33 square plus, and this is the radius of a circle, the area formula is simply pi into 7 square. Okay, so this is equal to, I think, 1089 plus what, 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so this is equal to 1089 plus 154, this is equal to 1243. Okay, so this is the correct answer, option C here. Now go to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 says that what a contract is to completed contract is to be completed in 52 days and 125 identical robots. Okay, and were employed. Okay, each operational for 7 hours a day. After 39 days, 5/7 of the work has completed. How many additional robots would be required to complete the work on time if each robot is now operational for 8 hours a day? So this is a very simple question from time and work. Okay, now here we use a concept which is, I just write here, the concept is if M1 men can do W1 work in D1 days working H1 hours per day, and similarly if M2 men can do W2 work in D2 days working H2 hours per day, then we get a relation which is M1 D1 H1 by W1, this is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. Okay, you can write this. Now we just put the values. So first one, M1 is 52 robots. Okay, so sorry 155 identical robots here. So 125 identical robots. D1s mean number of days, they work 39 days, so here we write 39, and H1 means they work per day, H1 means what, 7 hours per day, and W1 means they work 5/7. Okay, so 5/7 is the work they had already done. Okay, 5/7. Okay, now here we write W2 means here remaining work means 1 minus 5/7, which is equal to 2/7, and M2 we have to calculate the number of robots here. Okay, and D2 means the number of days remaining is 13 days, because they already work 39 days, therefore the remaining days 52 minus 39, which is equal to 13. Okay, and they work now 8 hours per day. Okay, so they work 8 hours per day. Now we have to calculate the value of M2. Okay, so this is equal to, so 13 3s are, we can calculate, and 7 cancel out, and now this implies M2, this is equal to what, M2 equal to 2 into 125 into 3 into 7 by what, 5 into 8. Okay, and simply we just cut it here, 8 means 2 4s are. Okay, so this is equal to, simply if we calculate, then we get 131.25. Okay, so the number of remaining robot, that is M2 minus M1, the remaining robot equal to what, 131.25 minus what, minus 1, I think this is 75. Okay, you just calculate once. Okay, so this is 25 or 35, 25 minus 125. Okay, 125, so this is equal to I think this is 75, and nearly equal to, which the value is nearly equal to 7. Okay, so 7 is the correct answer, but there is no option 7. Okay, so this is the wrong questions in the paper, or if the D option is 7 only, then option D can be correct. Okay, so the correct answer is option, the correct answer is 7. 7 new 7 robots, additional robots would be required. Okay, so the answer is 7 here. Okay, now going to the next question, question number 9. It says that a house, a house, question number 9, a house has number which needs to be identified. The following 3 statements are given that can help in identifying the house number. Option 1 says that if the house number is multiple of 3, then it is a number from 50 to 59. Okay, so the second statement is if the house number is not a multiple of 4, then it is a number from 60 to 69. Now, and condition 3 is if the house number is not a multiple of 6, then it is a number from 70 to 79. Okay, so if we go with the first condition, that is if the house number is a multiple of 53, then it lie in 50 to 59. Now the possibilities 51 to 59 is what? 30, 51, 54 and 57. These 3 numbers which are multiple of 3. Okay, but if one of these is right answer from these 3, if we take a right answer, this if the one of them is right answer, then it should be multiple of 4 and 6. Okay, it should be multiple of 4 and 6, but in these 3 there is no multiple of 4 and 6 from the second and third condition. Okay, therefore this is not the correct option, correct answer. Okay, so now if we going with condition 2, it says that if the house number is not a multiple of 4, okay, suppose if the house number is not multiple of 4, then it is number from 60 to what? 69. Okay, so possibilities are what? Which are not multiple of 4, which are 61, 63, 60 what? 61, 63, 65, 66 and 67 and 69. But if one of them is correct answer, okay, one of them is a correct answer, then what? It should be multiple of 6. It should be a multiple of 6 and not a multiple of 3. But here the 66 which is multiple of 3 and 6 both. Okay, that means this is not the our required sample space. Okay, so the answer is not lying in these numbers. Okay, now we going with condition 3. It says that if the house number is not a multiple of 6, then the number from 70 to 79. Okay, the possibilities are what? 71, 70, sorry 70 which are not multiple of 6, 71, 70, 71, 73, 74, 75 and 76, 77 and 79. These are the answer. But if one of these is right answer, then it should be multiple of 4. Okay, so it should be multiple of 4, but multiple of 4. Okay, therefore in between these samples we get a number 76 which is multiple of 4. Okay, so 76 which is a multiple of 4, but it is not multiple of 3. Okay, so this is the correct answer, which is 76 is the correct answer. Okay, I think you can understand this question. How can we take? We starts with the possibilities in between these numbers. Okay, these 3 numbers, and then just simplify or apply the given conditions. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Now we're going to the next question, question number 10, which is the last questions of these sets of GATE 2018 mathematical section. The question says that an unbiased coin is tossed 6 times in a row and 4 different such trials are conducted. One trial is 6 tosses. One trial implies 6 tosses of the coin. If H stands for head and T stands for tail, which of the following observations from the 4 trials? The following are the observations from the 4 trials. This one first, HT, option say TT, option 3 is HTT, option 4 is HHT, and 2 are blank space. Okay, so which statement describing the last 2 tosses of the 4th trial has the highest probability of being correct? This is the main funda of this question. Has the highest probability of being correct. Now, if 2 tosses are remaining, therefore the outcome, simple outcomes are what? A head, tail, tail head and tail. Okay, these are the 4 possibilities can be done, can be made. Okay, now it says that has the highest probability. Now since in the given option there is no ordering of head and tail, okay, it says that 2 tail, 2 head, 1 head and 1 tail, and one head will followed by another tail. Okay, so in between these, here we get an option which is 1 head and 1 tail will occur, but there is no ordering. That's why 1 head and 1 tail means we take these 2 possibilities which have the highest probability, because from these 4 possibilities, these 2 possibilities are what? These 2 possibilities are 1 by 2, and the probability of getting a head and head is 1 by 4, and probability of getting tail and tail is 1 by 4. The highest probability is this one. But if we take option D ones, one head will followed by the tail, that means what? This is HT, and this is the also possibility, that is the probability of getting a head and tail is 1 by 4. This is also not the correct option. Okay, so the correct 2 tail, the probability of T tail is 1 by 4, 2 head will also 1 by 4. This D option, one head followed by 1 tail, this is, that means this condition, this is also the probability is 1 by 4. And if we take 1 head and 1 tail, if there are no ordering of ordering in the heads and tails, that is we get these 2 possibilities, which the probability of getting these 2 possibilities is 1 by 2, which is the highest probability. That's why option B is correct here. 1 head and 1 tail will occur. Since there is no ordering, that head comes first or tail comes first, this is called the ordering. And here given the ordering, okay, the first head then tail. Okay, so this is the question, and this is the explanation for these 10 questions of the aptitude section of GATE 2018 mathematical or mathematics paper. Okay, so if the content is helpful, then please give a like to this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you friends, see you again in the next video. Thank you.